Okay.
First of all, we got it. Shake motor first.
I mean, I have one on my truck. It should be good, I guess. I don't know.
We're gonna take the motor working fine first. Remove this.
Good.
You know what you can do is clean.
Or the person probably brought it back because it was leaking.
Huh?
Somebody probably brought it back because it was leaking.
Oh no.
Probably, right? And once I tape this, I gotta watch it and make sure, then I never have to ask you again.
You don't forget.
No, I didn't forget, but I know that I didn't remember all the parts, steps. I didn't forget the whole thing.
That's the other part.
But this is the part that I'm not sure about right here. So you're saying you gotta sand that down or sand down the housing, right? The head.
Yeah.
Take off the gasket.
Yep.
Okay. And use a razor blade to cut it off?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.